With a story we've been following closely at the Roderick Ireland Courthouse in Springfield. A new air quality assessment has been released on conditions of the courthouse from the past 3 years. Thanks for joining us for Western Mass News at 4. I'm Jordan Jagalinzer. This comes as we're just days away from a trial of the lawsuit filed against the trial court that will be going before the Massachusetts Supreme Judicial Court. Western Mass News reporter Kristen Burnell joins us now live with the very latest. Kristen.
Spoke with one of the courthouse employees to hear her reaction to this latest report as we look ahead to next week's trial.
I do think that the report indicates pretty clearly that the situation needs to be continually monitored and updated.
Roderick Ireland Courthouse employee Laura Gentile is weighing in on the latest developments from the ongoing controversy at Springfield's courthouse. On Thursday, the Massachusetts trial court released an indoor air quality assessment from an environmental health and engineering firm that assessed the indoor air quality over the past 3 years.
I don't speak mold, but it appears that what I do understand is there appears to be a number of areas that still need to be addressed, cleaning needed, touch-up needed, that sort of thing, work needed. I think that we all know that.
The latest assessment conducted on April 1st says conditions are improving and mold is not impacting the indoor air throughout most of the building. This comes despite months of contention surrounding the building that employs more than 550 people. An independent study earlier this year found toxic cancer-causing mold inside the building.
This, to me, is nothing that I didn't expect. And I'm told it's a very reputable company. I don't know that people's fears are going to be assuaged by that, but it is what it is.
The firm recommended that the courthouse establish an operations and maintenance plan until scheduled renovations start in 2 years. Attorney Laura Mangini, who is representing employees in the lawsuit set to go before the state Supreme Judicial Court next week, tells Western Mass News the report is missing key details to make employees feel safe. Attorney Mangini also gave us a preview of who is expected to testify on their behalf.
We'll have both of our experts in testifying. We plan to bring in local witnesses to testify about what they experience when they walk into the courthouse, how it's affecting the impact of, how it's affecting the administration of justice, issues with jurors, with trials getting moved. We also have Dr. Elijah Stommel, who's our medical expert, who is expected to come in and testify that this building is a sick building and that he wouldn't send his patients into that building.
At this point, some employees are still working remotely if they can, and the Sheriff's Department is limited the number of inmates that go into the building. Live in Springfield, Kristen Burnell, Western Mass News.